Dude, I had 80, man, but throw me an offer.
I'm not gonna make money, to be honest with you.
Okay, what will you make money on? Like, give me a price and then I'll see if maybe I can work with you, you know. Because I'm pretty sure it works. It's just that I didn't want to go back knocking on the door and get this thing right here.
I just sold one 2 weeks, last week.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be fine.
How much did you sell it for? None of my business.
No. And ako sa flea market. Yung buntag na mga vendor ay. Mga vendor naglinya. Naglinya. So ako, shortcut ako kay di man ko mga vendor. Kasi na mga manindahay diya. Mga manindahay. Mga manindahay diya. And then, ang mga mamalitay. Very mamalitay. Soda niya. Kita tagong tayo pwedeng paliton. Yan na sila diya. Sige.
Tan buenos más, 5 bolas.
$5?
Sí, vámonos.
How much for your shoes?
Quiero 60 lo que ofrece.
How much?
60.
60? How much for these?
¿Qué? Todo está ocupado, no estoy viendo. Ah, ya los culos no les hablo, güey.
How much you asking for these?
Dame 10. Ten.
Gwapo no? Jordan.
Oh, dear.
Would you do 20? Alright, 20. 20 ba? Hindi. Rahong palit, Jordan 6 na siya. 20. Again, ako pa na siyang ipakuan. Ako pa na siyang ipa-digit check kung tinuod ba. Okay. So, pero kung legit na siya, kung bati kayo, 20 ang palit. Ngayon, saan mo siya? How much for these? How much?
100.
100?
That's 249.
Yeah, that's pretty cool though. Yeah, that's cool.
You wanna see it?
No, don't open it.
Are you sure? Well, we have to open it. I got one already open.
Because you don't want to open it because it's sealed.
Yeah.
That's gonna lose value if you open
No,
it.
they don't.
How much for these? 15? Guwapo no. Okay, nangukay na mga tao, nangukay. Dili. Are these yours?
No.
Ah,
You don't want those, did you?
No.
how much?
Yes.
10?
Sorry.
Mahal man tag G's man tong kuan eh. G's man tong Nike, mahal kayo. How much for these? 8. 8. 8? How about for this one? This is pretty cool, man.
I know. I don't know. For like $10 around, because those are like, I think 4 even the Walmart.
You do 5?
8?
So I owe you 16.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where'd you get the wagon, dude? It's
Online.
convenient, right?
Yeah, it is, man. The first time I went here, I didn't have this. It was
You
so,
carried
it was
everything?
heavy, dude. Alright, kana murag bark din siya, bark. Hina kaning dito rin. Murag kuan. So, this is size ng duha kung bati kayo no. Na, nakaw patahag asa. Patahag asa. Bati.
I had 80, man, but throw me an offer.
I'm not gonna make money, to be honest with you.
Okay, what will you make money on? Like, give me a price and then I'll see if maybe I could work with you, you know. Because I'm pretty sure it works. It's just that I didn't want to go back knocking on the door
Yeah.
and get this thing right here.
I just sold one 2 weeks, last week.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be fine.
How much did you sell it for? None of my business.
No. 110.
Okay.
So if I'm gonna get it for 80.
Well, tell me where.
No, man, I'm not gonna
50.
I'm not gonna offer
Okay,
you
I'll
because
do 50. That's the lowest, because like I know that they're pretty good, you know, like I'm pretty sure it works, you know.
yeah. How about for the Xbox?
If you buy that one, okay, this one does work.
Okay.
Okay, so what happened was it doesn't have the controller, but I turned it on. I think it has downloaded games. I
Okay.
think because it said like a guy, I don't know what the name was, but it's like Harry Potter or something.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
had like a little. So I'm thinking maybe I don't know how to work all that stuff, but I did put the HDMI
Uh-huh.
and then this cord I
And it
stuck it in
turned on?
and it turned on and it showed me all
With
that.
with
It said Xbox and it had the Harry
with the whole
Potter.
menu and stuff?
Yeah,
Okay.
it had little stuff going on.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
all I need is controllers. So this works. So I want like $30 on this.
So 80 for both?
Yeah, 80 for both. Oh, and then do you know where you can get one of these?
Ah, yeah, that's easy to find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I have a cord for that. Yeah.
And I think I have HDMI. Well, you probably don't even need those.
Yeah, well, I have
This
tons
one.
of HDMI too. Yeah.
Because I'm thinking this could have downloaded games. What do you think?
I think so. Yeah.
If it had that
yeah.
little thing on there.
Yeah. And how about for your?
The games?
Uh huh.
$3 each for you. If you buy both of these,
Uh huh.
then we can do $2 each on the games. Take a look at it. This one for sure I know. This one I just couldn't plug it in. I was gonna go to GameStop
Uh-huh.
and buy the cord, but they're probably gonna charge me like more than what I paid for it. So
I'll take it for 80.
80 for
Yeah,
those two.
80 for both.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll do it.
So just go.
And what do you want to do? You want to do any of the games?
I think I'm gonna pass on the games. Just the consoles. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see what else do you have. Dude, some Air Force Ones.
Yeah, $40 on those. Well, since you bought those, I'll do $30 for these. But are they real? That's my thing. You decide.
I have to get it checked.
Okay.
But this is pretty awesome. Oh, you know what, man? I don't know.
Because that's what's throwing me off. But I've seen stuff like that before.
No, this one right here.
Oh, what did you say?
It's off. Like
Oh, the way it looks.
usually it's like. Let me show you. I'm not sure though. I might be wrong. You know.
Because I was getting a funny feeling about them because they were like too.
Yeah.
Too new, too good.
Yeah.
You know, but you know where I get stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
I'll just get your consoles.
You don't like this kind of stuff? Those are retros.
Oh yeah, it's for kids, man.
Yeah, I know.
It's hard to
How
sell.
about Hokas?
Hokas are good. How much for the Hokas?
I'll do 30.
This is actually pretty good too.
Look at the bottom. The
Yeah,
tread
yeah,
is good.
it's pretty clean, huh?
Yeah, I don't clean my shoes because I ain't gonna bring my back over it. But if you clean it up, it'll look perfect.
I got too many shoes for now. I'll just get the
25.
console. You're killing me, man.
Because I know we'll both make money. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, Hokas are good. How about 100 for everything?
man, I can't. Man. Just because I know that
So
those,
that's 105.
I put too much money into those
Yeah.
already. Because
No,
you know
no,
what? At the thrift stores, they're charging a lot for these.
They are.
And I'm going like I wanted to.
No,
snap
because
them.
this is a good brand. Yeah, it's a good brand.
Yeah. So 105 because we're at 80 and then 25.
Yeah, 105. I'll take both. Cool.
And I'm always on the lookout for you, man.
Thank you, dude. Alright, so baka video game na video console, Xbox 360 o Xbox One o kanang huka nga ng sapatos. Kumbati niya gitagaan ko duha ka different nga games. Alright, kumbati. Let's go. Ngita pa ta. Naubanta tuyok-tuyok ang dapat itong makita para malingaw mo ba no? How much for the Star Wars?
That one, 25.
25?
Yeah, the game.
Okay. No, I think I'm gonna pass. Thank you. Ay, gisi man, gisi. Wala man. Wala, tuyok kay wala. Naghanag tao no. Po mga Transformers. How much for the Transformers? 25 each? Mahal man, tag-benching ko ang usa. Benching ko ang usa nga Transformer, pero mga gwapo unta kayo ito. Ito na yung gwapo na. Sorry. Mga bisikleta, mga sinina. much for this? 60. Mahal po rin, timak, tagsisinta man. Mahal kayo. Ginagawa ko pa. Alright, so man ang mga napalit karon. So uli na ta. Uli tag sayo. Kumbati. So usa-usahon ta ni abot na ko sa balay. Sige. Alright, so okay pag uli na ako, nakabot na ko. So man akong mga napalit karon. I think mo ni may pinaka the best to. I think Barkley, and then Jordan, Kumbate. So ako pa nang ipa-check na nako kung tinuod ba na sila, and then the rest video games. Okay lang, di man kayo kanya. Nako yung mga uban diri para ipada nako sa Pilipinas. Mga hoodies, Hollister, Hurley, nga mga hoodies. Kana Hurley nga mga hoodies kana padana nako sa Pilipinas para kuan baligya didto. And then mana so ako nang ako sa pining ipang kuan kuhaon ipang diskarga butang sa suits balay. Sige, hayayo mo. Alright, so ako nang na pagawas tanan ako mga napalit karong adlaw sa kuan sa flea market. So first kani siya Gatorade nga nindot kayo kompleto isa walang Nike ni siya pero the rest is a Gatorade. So gwapo kay na siya para ni squad kanang mga player ba no. And then kani siya puro siya mga brand new nga mga video games. Pareho ra sila Fallout 76 pero brand new sealed. And then kani siya para sa iro trainer ba pet trainer para sa iro okay. And then kani siya duha ka buok mga open box and then Xbox 360 kumbate Xbox with free games. So duha ka games Xbox 360 wala na siya controller, pangitaan pa na ako controller, ang console na siya. So kadito na siya pangitaan controller. And then Xbox One, right? Wapo kayo duha ka controller nya ang kuan unsa pangalan ni duha ka controller unya ang power cord niya. Alright, so kani sila kana, and then kaning Hollister nga hoodie, kanang Hurley nga hoodie, puro na sa Pilipinas. Ako nang gitapok sila dito tanan para na negosyo sa Pilipinas, pamaligya yan na ako. So huwat mo. And then kani mga sapatos, huka nga shoes kani gwapo kina. So kuha na siya, nindot kay na siya nga kay nga sapatos, kumbati kana ni kana siya. I think mga Charles Barkley na siya. Charles Barkley nga sapatos. Ni kana siya Jordan 6. I think, if I'm not mistaken. So limpyo pa kayo. So kanang duha ako pa nang kanang duha ako pa nang isend para kuan legit check just to make sure di na siya piki. And then duha ka Carhartt nga vest. Gwapo kayo. Carhartt nga vest. Nindot kayo. Carhartt nga vest. And then kani siya Carhartt nga overall nga kuan nga pang trabaho man ni siya. Pero gwapo kayo, brand new, limpyo pa kayo. Alright, so muna tanan akong mga napalit kanina sa flea market. Alright, so padagdag kuan ninyo, subscribe, like, comment ha. Salamat, bye-bye.